Making money online through the share market, also known as the stock market, is possible, but requires knowledge, research, and careful decision-making. Here are some ways to potentially make money online in the share market. Stock trading. Buy and sell stocks with the goal of profiting from short-term price fluctuations. This method requires active monitoring of the market, analyzing charts, news, and financial reports. You can trade stocks through online brokerage platforms that offer real-time trading and access to various markets. Long-term investing. Invest in stocks with the intention of holding them for an extended period, typically years, to benefit from potential price appreciation and dividends. Long-term investing involves thorough research and analysis of companies, their fundamentals, industry trends, and market conditions. Online brokerage platforms also provide the ability to invest in stocks for the long term. Dividend investing. Focus on stocks that pay regular dividends. Dividends are a portion of a company's profits distributed to shareholders. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can earn income regularly, especially if you reinvest those dividends to compound your returns over time. Exchange-traded funds. ETFs. Invest in ETFs, which are funds that hold a diversified portfolio of stocks or other assets. ETFs provide exposure to a specific market index, sector, or asset class. They offer diversification and can be bought and sold like stocks. Research and choose ETFs that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Options trading. Options allow you to buy or sell an underlying asset, such as a stock, at a specified price within a certain time frame. Options trading can be complex and carries higher risks. Extensive knowledge and understanding of options strategies are essential before venturing into this area. Copy trading. Some online platforms allow you to automatically copy the trades of successful traders. This approach involves selecting experienced traders and replicating their trading strategies. However, it's important to conduct due diligence on the traders you choose to follow and understand the risks involved. Education and research. Continuous learning and staying informed about the market are crucial. Study investment strategies, technical and fundamental analysis, and financial news. Access online resources, educational courses, and financial publications to enhance your knowledge and decision-making skills. Remember, investing in the share market carries risks, and there are no guarantees of profits. It's important to do thorough research, diversify your investments, and carefully assess your risk tolerance before investing your money. Consider consulting with a financial advisor or professional to help you navigate the complexities of the share market.